If you're looking to turn $100 into $1,000, $10,000, or maybe even $100,000 quickly and easily, then you're in the right place. Because lately, meme coins, that's right, have been the buzz all across the web. I'm sure you've heard about Cock and New doing 26,000%, meaning $100 would have turned into 26,000. Bonk did some insane returns where there was one guy that made $11 million on Bonk. So this is something that we need to pay attention to, guys. And today I have 4 meme coins that I'm looking at. All are high risk, but they're very high reward. They're very small. They're early stages. We're going into a heavy bull market right here. So if these things survive, and what I'm saying is if you had a small amount of money and if these things survive, just one of them surviving can set you up really well. So without further ado, let's dive right into my computer here, and I'm going to show you guys what I have going on here. Let me actually make my face smaller first before I lose you guys. Oh no, I'm losing you guys. Okay, here I am. Okay, first things first, what I have for you guys right here, what I'm looking at today, I have Smog Coin. I'm looking at Smog Coin. This released just yesterday. This come out yesterday. We're looking at 14K market cap. We only have 1.45 holders right now. This is very small, guys. We're at a 35 dex score, but the only thing holding us back is the liquidity pool, which we have about 8K in the liquidity pool. I contributed like $50, but we need some heavy people coming in here and contributing a couple $1,000s into that, and that'll actually just fix that one issue that we've got going on. But what we're looking at right here is I've got 1,100 invested down here. This point would be a 10x. This would mean 11,000. This would be 22,000. This being the new all-time high, which is so doable, because if you look right here, this would only be 143K market cap if it went up here. That would mean I'd have $33,000 right here from that. That is absolutely bonkers, guys. Another one, this one's about to get listed on 2 exchanges. This one was all the way up here at 58. Let's measure that real quick from where it's at right now. We're looking at you're looking at about 140% to go back to where it was up at the top. We're only at a 255K market cap. This one had really bad liquidity when I was heavily invested into it, and then I sold my gigantic bag of it, and then it pumped 5x. Sold my bag in this area somewhere, and right here it did this gigantic 5x. We'll look at the 5x here real quick. What was it? It was some crazy, even right here I think is where I read the 5x. I was like, I can't believe that did that. But it's not too late for this. This is supposed to be big. There's influencers talking about this. Solana meme coin. By the way, none of this is financial advice. This is all really high risk stuff. This is if you just want to try to make some easy money off of something that has no intrinsic value whatsoever. This one I'm really big on. I made $9,000 trading this. I traded this from, where did I trade this from? I traded this from here. I traded it all the way to the not the 18 mark. I made it to the 16 mark. Wherever it went to the 16 mark, I traded this. Yeah, it took me like a half a day. It was like a 300%. Very high risk. I dumped thousands of dollars into this. It was just YOLOing because it really looked like it was going to break out strong, and it just lucked out for me. So because of that, we are all the way back down here. We are a 700%. We are about 700% from the top of this bad boy right here. We're at a 3.6 million market cap. We got 6,200 holders. That's actually the lowest I've seen the holder count in a while, because when this thing was rallying up through this week here, I was watching this holder count go up about 1,000 every single day, and that's what led to me really believing in this thing. I was like just watching it grow and grow, and then because I had money invested in it, and I just added more money, made a gigantic rip off of it. Now I don't have very much money into it, but I'd like to add money down here somewhere soon. Add money in this area soon, because this was a really good buy point right here this morning. I just wasn't here. I wasn't ready to do it. Last but not least, what other one? Solo. Now we've got Solo right here. Solority. This is one a Solana ordinals token right here. It's a meme token like all the other tokens, of course. But this one probably is a little bit cooler on the scale, and it's very cheap. 136K market cap. Like I said, all high risk, but the dex score got good on this one right here. Everything looks pretty good on this one. And we got 500 holders on this bad boy right here. We are far from the top. We are very, very far from the top on this one here. What is that? 700%. So you're looking at a 700% on that one right there. And that would only put you at maybe, what is that, a 1 million market cap. 700% to go back to a 1 million market cap. So that's Solority. I'm going to post links down below for you guys to get to these, as long as they let me post the links. But before I let you guys go, last but not least, I got a bonus one for you guys, the banana miner. Now this is going to be a little bit higher risk for you guys. Definitely don't put too much money into this bad boy. I put $400 into it. So far, I've gotten 150 back out. You put the Solana into it and exchange it for bananas, and these bananas produce Solana every single day. Now, this to me is producing me about a half of Solana a day. Today, I got more Solana. I don't know if it was because of this, the 12%. I don't know if somebody signed up with my link, because you could use a referral link. That's a good reason to get into this too, because if you get into this and then show it to your buddy and your buddy invests, you're going to get 12% of the Solana that he's using to compound into this bad boy. Because I did get extra Solana today. I logged in, I had 0.75. So this one's definitely one to check out, because it only released 2 days ago. So this is 3 days old, and we've got about 30,000 whole Solana tokens locked into this bad boy right here, or about 3 million total value locked. So this should hold up here. If more people come into the project, this number will increase. If less people come in, this number will decrease. Basically what you're doing is you're trying to beat this clock. If this is going to go to zero eventually, you want to beat that clock. Meaning if you put $100 in, you want to try to get your investment back off that $100. And down here they're saying they're giving you about 8% a day. If it was just a flat 8% a day, it'll take you 12 days. If you're getting 12% down here, or if this is varying in any way, shape, or form, then you're going to get it faster probably. But basically, you're looking at anything after about 8 to 12 days is all profit. That, because I'm getting about $45 a day from this. Now, after my, it's looking like it'll probably take me about 6.5 days to get full return on investment. After that, if this thing survives another 2 weeks or 4 weeks, those, for every single one of those days, I'll be getting a $45 worth of Solana, about. So check that out. I'm going to leave the link for Banana Miner down below, because this is like free money as long as you're early. If you see this video in like a week or two, don't buy this, please, unless you see these numbers way higher. Now, I'm not going to say, because if there's 50,000 SOL in this when you pull this up in a week or two, then you can get into it. But if this number is dwindling, if you log in here and this number is much lower than this, I wouldn't mess with it. But for right now, this should hold up for some amount of time. I don't know how long. I don't have a crystal ball. None of this is financial advice. But do check all this stuff out, because all this stuff, except for this one, those other ones are very, very high potential return. Like those coins, those meme coins that I showed you guys, the market caps are so low, so ridiculously low, that if any of them pop off, if you had $100 in it, your $100 can potentially easily turn into $5,000 or $10,000. And that's no guarantees on performance. But these meme coins, when you get into them early like that one that I'm in, that's at what was it, a 14K market cap. If that thing starts exploding, I'm gonna make good money, guys. So that's all I got for you guys today. Do your own research, check this all out, smash that like button if you got some value, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.